are looking at practice for objective 1 on scaled drawings. The first problem we have here, it says figure 2 is a scaled copy of figure 1. That means that the sides are proportional and the angles will actually be the same. It says identify the side in figure 2 that corresponds to side AB in figure 1. All right, side AB is right here. So again, if I was going to take this shape, overlap it with this shape, which side would be in the same position as this side? That would be QP right here. So it says identify the side. All right, let's go down and look at our options. It is PQ is the one that we're looking for. So PQ is D, and that is correct. It was in the same spot as AB, so then we know they are corresponding. Okay. Says here, identify the point in figure 2 that corresponds to point K in figure 1. Okay, here's point K. Again, if we're going to take this one, overlap it with this one, it would be in the same position as C. So then we know that point C corresponds to point K. Good. All right, the next link says which slider creates a scaled copy. Now remember, if they are scaled, they're going to be the same shape, but they can be different sizes. So as I move this one, you see how that rectangle starts to turn into a square? So that is not scaled copies. But here, this shape, it's almost a square, but it's still a rectangle. As we move this, it maintains the same rectangle shape. So the sides would be corresponding, so it would be a scaled copy. So it'd be slider B is the one that we want. Good, again, let's try it. Move the slider. See how the height is not changing at all, but the width is changing? If two shapes are corresponding, the length and the width are gonna change proportionally. Where this one over here, it starts out as a little square, and it maintains the shape of a square, but it just gets bigger. So again, it'd be slider B is the one that is a scaled copy.